Hello and welcome to another episode of Isco Talks. Okay, after the last couple of weeks or months making videos mostly about the latest 9-bot Segway products, I came across an article only earlier today and decided I definitely need to share this with you because it's not a fresh article, but I didn't saw it earlier and maybe you missed it and it might be maybe important for you. So 9-bot Segway recalled their P100 models. And interestingly, I actually came across one the other day. I need to check actually the serial number. Is it part of this recall? Now, I'm not sure is this only for US or worldwide, but the recall was issued almost 3 months ago. About 1,400 units. I'm not sure was it sold or affected. But well, we have here, by the way, image where to find a sticker with the serial number just for your info. And now let's a little bit more towards some details. So we have a description, like which scooters are actually affected, which serial numbers, etc. Then we have here a really interesting part. So consumers should stop using e-scooter immediately and contact Segway for free repair. Okay, Segway will direct them to a local store, if available, to do a repair or provide a prepaid shipping label to ship a scooter to official repair center to get scooter repaired. Okay, and it's happened that there were 31 reports of the broken forks, including 6 reports of injuries. Okay, 31 case, 6 injuries, immediate recall, front fork. Does that remind you of maybe some other brand that had a similar case but never did anything about it? Yeah, Nami, of course. So it's manufactured in China, same as Nami is, but well, but Segway did a recall. Nami never did. Nami just said like it's a user error, or you didn't do right when you were changing bearings, or this or that or whatever. No matter what, it's not our error. But we did made a better part, and you can buy it from us. But yeah, there's nothing about what we're going to do. That's why Nambot Segway is on a totally different level as a manufacturer compared to Nami, and probably it always will. And Nami just maybe one day they're just going to start making, I don't know, washing machines because scooters won't be profitable for them anymore, or people just won't trust the brand. That's how responsible company, responsible business actually treats their customers. Okay, and this is actually an article that I actually came across, and that made me look a little bit more into it and make this video for you. So, is there any liability? Well, apparently there is. As I said, I'm not sure. I'm going to assume that this is mostly for US market, but I'm going to leave a link in a video description down below, both for this website and official government website, because well, if you can do maybe with their help something regarding your Nami, especially if you were affected in any way, guys, do that, because manufacturers like that need to either start making proper scooters or get swiped off the market. We don't want anyone to get injured at all. So yeah, anyways, let's make this video short. Just before we go, okay, we are at 494 subscribers, and we're kind of trying to chase a next milestone, 1,000 subs, before the 9-bot Mark G3 comes out. In the meantime, I actually have just a couple of things to share with you. Recently, I actually came across some scooters that were actually customer returns, primarily 9-bot Segway scooters. And I got myself 5 of the 9-bots Max G2. So there's going to be lots of videos coming up regarding that particular model. Of course, first thing I'm going to check all the front forks, front suspensions on all five of them. Then I did came across some things regarding rear suspension, so I'm going to check that as well. And for 1000 subscribers special, I have a video idea. I need to work into details actually how to make it happen. But it's going to be something, of course, again, something a little bit different than I made so far. So if you haven't, maybe consider subscribing. Help me reach that 1000 subs. And I'll do my best to try and make more interesting videos. Anyways, any video ideas regarding 9-bot Max G2, anything you want to see me do, any repair, any test or whatever, leave those in the comment section down below. And till next time, stay safe out there on the road, respect other road users, and don't get a scooter or any bone broken. Bye bye.